Shop with me at Trader Joe's before I get snowed in. DC is expecting a huge storm this weekend, so I picked up some things from the grocery store, starting with this soup that looked really good. Then I saw these ketchup chips. Sadly, not in budget though, so I did not get those. I did pick up my favorite ice cream along with some of these really large water bottles in case we need those. And then this is everything that I got to make dinner tonight and stock up from the storm. I bought more frozen and packaged items, so that hurt the budget because we spent $67.